Hello guys, well this is Syedmukarram. Welcome to my channel Data Science for Everyone. Uh, Coming towards the series for Tableau, today I'm going to show you how to connect different data files, CSV files and other connecting files in Tableau. Let's get started. This is the overview of application of Tableau. So for connecting the files, we have over here the data source connections. So you can connect Microsoft Excel file over here. Let's check for Superstore US sheet or dataset what we have. Just connecting with that sheet file CSV. Yes, we have connected with the file. This is the file you can see over here, P1 Superstore US 2015. And just I need to click over, drag and drop over here on the right side of the overview. So we could see the data over here, or else if you want to complete data, how things look like. So you could go to the sheet 1. This is the workflow. That's the data connecting source. So we can over here view the data from the data source. This is how the sheets look like. It has city name, country name, United States data, customer ID, customer name, customer segment, order ID and priority dates, so on. This is the data what we have connected, and this is a CSV file. Let's go towards the data source again and let's see what we have. This is live and extract, so we will discuss this later regarding this. And let's see what we have, the different source of files, what we can do from here. So for that we need to close this worksheet, then we'll save it. Yes, we are back, and then we are back to the data source. We have n number of data source for connecting data Tableau. We have Tableau server directly we can connect over here, and Microsoft Excel file which I have shown you just now how to connect with it, and text file, JSON file, Microsoft Access file, PDF, and many more. And over here you can see a lot of more files. See over here, this much of type of file you can connect. This example for Oracle. If I click Oracle, they saying to download the drivers, and if I do Google Drive, it is authenticating in your default browser and then processing the request. So it will take the request, and it's taking time for loading the data, pre-processing the request for which I have given for Google Drive and so on. And you can connect with n number of data set. What you have, like 74 connectors extra. Whatever we have is Microsoft PowerPoint, and then we have Microsoft SQL Server, MongoDB. See how I got to the I've just got to connect it to the new browser because I have just chosen Google Sheet over there. So that's why it's getting connected. Logging to microsoftonline.com, and then if I just sign in over here, it's taking me to Google account.live. Then I need to do next, and then I can get connected over from here. So this is how is authenticating me. And then if you go to the any IBM DB2, say it's giving the server name, port name, database, username, require SSL, and then we need to sign in over here. So this is how you can connect to different type of data files in Tableau. And if you have furthermore, then how we need to execute different files like Microsoft Excel files, and how we can visualize the data in terms of charts and each and everything. Here will be pie diagram, charts, and each and everything. I will be explaining in the next session regarding this. So that's it for today regarding the connecting of different files and the Tableau. So thank you, have a great day. And regarding anything, if you need any particular session on this Tableau, you can ping me or if you couldn't get it, you can I will be sharing the screenshot on the GitHub link. Just comment in the comment section regarding this. That's it, guys, for the today's session regarding how to connect with different files in Tableau. Thank you. Have a great day.